Hello mummies, let's make this tuna-mayo sandwich together. Welcome back once again. My name is Chioma. If you are coming here for the first time, don't forget to click the button below so that you get notified whenever I post some yummy yummies for the kids. Today we are going to be making this delicious tuna mayo sandwich, which is perfect for breakfast and also a lunchbox meal. It's also good for toddlers as a finger food. It contains good nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, and also calcium, which is good for their bone development. The ingredients I'm going to be using are listed on the screen. I'm actually using 4 ingredients, which are simple and easy to source as usual. So I'm going to start by draining off the oil in my tuna, and then I'm going to put the tuna in a plate and then mash it up. And then I'm going to add the mayonnaise. I like adding mayo because it makes the tuna moist and makes the kids enjoy it more. I'm now going to spread it on my bread. Any type of bread is fine. Today I'm using hot dog rolls because the kids love it. Now I'm going to put the cheese slices in it. You can also use grated cheese if you don't have cheese slices. Anyone is perfect. So I'm going to quickly fill up the rest with the tuna mix. And you can actually use any type of bread. So I'm using the normal bread slice in one of them here. That's it. So now I'm going to toast it on my grill so that the cheese will melt well into the bread. If you don't have an electric grill, you can also use your frying pan or your grill pan on your gas cooker to toast it. Yeah, it works just fine. You can see it's all perfectly grilled now, and it takes just 2 to 4 minutes to get this done. The cheese in this sandwich by adding sliced cucumbers on top, especially if your child does not like cheese or you don't have cheese at hand. So this tuna mayo sandwich can be made in 2 ways. You can also think of other ways or other things that you can add to it, probably things that your child loves that can make them eat the sandwich or enjoy it more. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Thank you for watching and hope you are going to make this for your child. Send me a comment too, and see you in my next video. Bye.